Hey guys, Owusu-Ansah here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your broker's account with one of our recommended brokers, which is HotForex. So what you want to do is access your iVision launch sheet, and in this sheet you'll find under set up your broker account a link that leads you to the HotForex registration page. And so once you're on this page, what you want to do is fill in the relevant information for yourself, complete the security section and hit register. Now once you've done that, you should get an email from HotForex such as this one, which will require you to activate your account. Just wait for that to load. So that's showing that the email address you entered within HotForex has been activated. You should now have another email address from HotForex, which shows you what your password and username for HotForex is actually going to be. So my HotForex ID and my HotForex password. Now, within your back office for HotForex, you'll see this under my announcement. You see this section with the exclamation mark in the triangle, which means there is also some registration task you need to complete. So click where you're required to click, and then start to complete the rest of the information required for registration. So country of birth for me, that would have been Ghana. Tax information, so the relevant tax information for where you live. So I'm a tax resident in my country of residence. Yes. Do you have a tax identification number? Yes, I do. So for us in the UK, this would be your national insurance number or whatever it is for your sort of relevant country. The rest of your address details, and then investor information and economic profile. So the purpose of your account would be for trading, your estimated net worth, your estimated annual income, anticipated dollar amount to trade with within the next 12 months. So how much roughly do you reckon over the next year or so you'll be depositing into your HotForex account, where those funds are coming from. Hopefully you're using savings and money that you can potentially afford to risk within the trading environment, and then the relevant education for yourself, so what you specialized in, and then employment status, and what industry that might be. So transport. Now the next section of the registration process is probably the most important part, which is the appropriateness assessment. This assessment is what HotForex uses to determine your experience in trading and therefore what leverage they will offer in your trading account. Now, there's a certain way we answer these questions in order to obtain a high leverage account, and the reason why you might want to obtain a high leverage account is so that this will allow you to build up and control larger sums of money per trade. However, you also kind of risk growing your account a lot quicker depending on your lot sizes you use per trade. But what we're looking for is a 1 to 500 leverage for our trading account. And so to answer these questions as an experienced trader, these are the responses you want to give. If you want to go ahead and answer the questions based on what you might know or think about trading, then by all means go ahead, and either way, HotForex normally will give you an account with a leverage as low as 1 to 50 anyway, and if you're happy with that sort of leverage for your account, then by all means ignore these sort of recommended responses and answer it based on what you think it is appropriate for your level. Otherwise, if you want a higher leverage account, then these are the responses you need to give. So how long have you been trading leverage products? +3 years. Which of the following instruments have you traded before Forex CFD spreading? What was the average quarterly volume of your past transactions in standard lots? More than 100 lots. CFDs are financial instruments which provide investors with more benefits and risks. What would be the potential impact of using higher leverage? Magnify trading results. It could lead up to stop loss of the above. You entered into a one lot buy position on Euro USD with the company. You're exposed to counterparty risk, adverse market movement, both of the above. What is the margin used for 100,000 euro USD? So that's 1,000 USD. What actions can you take in order to prevent severe losses? Stop loss, use lower leverage, both of the above. Currency prices fluctuate continuously. What risk related factors should traders take into consideration? Both of the above. How many offline education courses on CFD trading have you entered during the last 12 months? You'll put +3. You're in iMarkets Live. You're going to be having constant education throughout the year. So put the highest number there. The underlying asset of a CFD is a financial instrument which offered for trading by the company. What is a stop out level? And that is a point at which all active positions are closed automatically. So let's do a final check that you've answered all the necessary questions. And are you currently or ever been involved in? Hopefully you've not been involved in any criminal activity currently, or have any pending convictions to serve. Do you or a close of you is a politically exposed person? Hopefully not. Are you a citizen? So HotForex doesn't accept US citizens currently. However, if you are a US citizen living in another country, you could potentially still have an account with them. And then just finally check that box. And success. So based on the information provided in the registration process regarding your knowledge and trading experience, your maximum leverage is 1 to 500 as per our internal policies and procedures. Brilliant. That's exactly what we wanted. So now, once that's done, the final element of the registration process is to submit proof of legal existence. Are you a real person and where do you live? So any form of acceptable ID would be a passport picture with under the photo section of your passport, driving license, any form of acceptable national ID. And in terms of proof of address, these are the documents that they would accept, and we're looking for documents that are not older than 6 months. Once you submit that, it takes about 24 to 48 hours for your account to be verified, and then from then on you can open a demo account to begin practicing trades on your MT4 app, or you can open a live trading account and deposit some funds to begin trading live.